we got a Chevy. We got a Chevy, a 51 Chevy. A bomb, look at that. Blue Flame 6, original car, not molested. Original motor, with a visor. It is a deluxe, rolling on wide whites. Bench seats, sit 3. Old school dash, 3 on a tree, real hot rod, pedals and gears. New stereo bolted underneath. Just needs a little bit of TLC. Other than that, it's all there. Chevy 51 Chevrolet. It's a post 2-door sedan. Wide whites. DanoLive, DanoVision. Right here in Huntington Beach, California. DanoLive sponsor. Willys Auto Service. And not to be outdone, we got Mike's truck in here. A Chevrolet, a long bed. Look at that. Red steel wheels, beauty rims, caps. Nice raised leather tires. It's a C10 long bed. Look at that, the bed's all been done nicely. It is a custom. And the tachometer center the column in front of the Speedo. A new stereo system. There's a 2-pedal. It's automatic. Comes with an optional Mexican blanket and rust no extra charge. But it is a bona fide original Chevrolet C10. You know, there's a little hot rod over there in orange, or excuse me, in yellow. Yeah, aren't you glad I said yellow? Anyway, check it out. And here at Willys, you can get your car aligned. It's got a Hunter alignment rack built right into the floor. It is a badass. We bought, well, not we, but he bought this at SEMA last year. It's an alignment rack. And since then, he's been doing alignments. Full repair shop here in Huntington Beach. DanoLive sponsor, Willys Automotive. DanoLive.